Welcome to our video tutorial on Element. Here, we will provide you with information needed to access the system and some of its features. Element is a secure communication platform that offers chat and calling services with a focus on privacy and security. We will start by signing into Element as well as to our corporate email. We search in our preferred browser for Element Sign In. We follow the first link, and on the top right corner we click on Sign In. Then open a web page, and again sign in. We edit to change the base server and go matrix.cloudbilingual.com. We click Continue. For a secure sign-in, we'll click on Forgot Password. You will be asked to type in your email address. Enter your corporate email and click on Send Email. While waiting for the email to be sent, we go to your inbox, open it, refresh the page, click on the link below, and it will take us to the password change confirmation. Then we'll go back to Element, click on Next. After that, we will create a strong password with at least 8 characters as required by the application. And we will reset the password. Return to the sign-in screen and verify that the base server is still the same. You can sign in either with your username or your email address. In this case, I will sign in with the username and the password we just created. We sign in, and once we enter, we activate notifications to avoid missing any message that we may receive. We check according to our assigned roles, categories with both voice and text rooms. We can see those categories in this panel. On the right side, we can interact, we can visualize these rooms. We'll have the possibility to react or send messages. And we will be able to access the history through the icons that will be in this section. If I want to go back to interpreters, if I want to go back to the previous room. And now let's go into our first video room, the first one. And it's going to ask for access to our devices. This window will appear. We'll click on Allow while visiting this site for both microphone and camera. We will go to Settings and verify that everything's in order, that we have selected our microphone, that our camera is working. We will choose which device we want to hear the call in. We close this and then we can join. All set. Now, to talk to a team member or a supervisor, just enter a room. For example, OPI Peru, we open the people list on the left side and search for the person we need. In this case, we'll search for Rodolfo and click Send Message. And this way, we will have our internal chats in this People section, where we can see who we have been talking to, our chats, our history, we will have the home section where we will see people and the rooms where we have been writing or reacting. Among other options, we can change the system theme. We can access it by clicking our profile picture or in Settings. Now, in the Sidebar section, to access conversations more easily, I recommend keeping this People panel visible so you can access it. And to make communications with others much easier. Finally, we will install the application. After granting the necessary permission, installing the application comes last because without the permissions, we will not be able to join calls with the devices we have. On the desktop icon in the URL, we will have the option to install the application and follow the steps. It's at the top of the screen. Install the application, click Install, and thus we will have Element on our desktop. We can also search for it and access. This concludes today's presentation. We hope this information was clear and useful for your purposes. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your time and attention.